Summit of Mount Waumbek, marked by this cairn. 3.6 miles, did in about 3 hours. And now I gotta go back, so that's another 3.6, makes it a 7.2 mile hike. A lot of it's elevated too. So here we have Kilkenny Ridge. If I want to continue this way, I would end up at Mount Cabot, which obviously I'm not going to do today, since it's already about 12:30 or so. It's going to take me about 2 hours to get back. So my estimation, I was about a half an hour off. I should be home about 5 o'clock. Mount Waumbek bagged.